SSL. SSL or Secure Socket Layer is a security protocol that encrypts data sent between a user's browser and a website server. SSL is used to enhance the security of online transactions and protect sensitive information such as personal and financial data. Here are the top 10 questions and answers about SSL to help you understand its importance and how it works. 1. What is SSL? SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer, which is a security protocol that encrypts data sent between a user's browser and a website server. 2. Why is SSL important? SSL is important as it enhances the security of online transactions and protects sensitive information such as personal and financial data from hackers and identity thieves. 3. What is the difference between SSL and HTTPS? HTTPS is a protocol that is used to secure online communications and ensures that the website you are visiting is encrypted. SSL is the technology used to encrypt the communication between a user's browser and a website server. 4. How does SSL work? SSL uses a process known as encryption to secure communications between a user's browser and a website server by converting the data into an unreadable code that cannot be understood by unauthorized parties. 5. How do I know if a website has SSL encryption? A website with SSL encryption will have a padlock icon that appears in the browser's address bar and a URL that begins with https:// instead of http://. 6. What is an SSL certificate? An SSL certificate is a digital certificate that is used to verify the identity of a website and enable SSL encryption. It is issued by a trusted third-party authority and contains information about the website and its owner. 7. What types of SSL certificates are there? There are 3 types of SSL certificates: domain validated, organization validated, and extended validation SSL certificates. They differ in their validation requirements and the level of security they provide. 8. What is a wildcard SSL certificate? A wildcard SSL certificate is a type of SSL certificate that allows you to secure an unlimited number of subdomains with a single certificate. 9. What are SSL vulnerabilities? SSL vulnerabilities are weaknesses in SSL encryption that can enable attackers to intercept and steal sensitive data. They can be caused by outdated software, weak encryption algorithms, or poor security practices. 10. How can I ensure that my website is secure with SSL? To ensure that your website is secure with SSL, you should regularly update your SSL certificate, use strong and unique passwords, and implement secure coding practices. In conclusion, SSL is an essential technology for securing online transactions and protecting sensitive data. By understanding its importance and how it works, you can ensure that your website and online transactions are safe and secure. Thank you for watching.